Hello. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to incorporate your company logo and banking details onto transaction documents such as sales invoices. So new to version 17 of Sybiz Vision under Options is the ability to define a company logo, which I'll just do by right click and load. Pick up the logo. I always recommend to include the file dimensions in the file name itself, so that's 176 by 90 because that'll help us when we go to actually put the logo onto the document. And you also have the ability now to define bank details at a corporate level. So if your customers only ever pay you into one bank account, this is where to put those details to make life easier when you go to edit your transaction documents. So we'll just OK there, and we'll just flick across to an invoice that we have in progress. And what I'll do now is I'll go into the transaction settings, go in and edit the document, and into the editor. And what we've done, just to save a little bit of time, is I've already put the banking details onto the form themselves. I'll just show you where to go to get those fields, and that's just a simple drag and drop of the bank account information onto your transaction document. But we'll just round out the demonstration just by showing you the company logo. So that's also in the data field listing that you have in the designer, and we'll just drag that roughly where we want it to go. Of course, that's not the size that we want, so we'll go and modify the size just on the right hand side here. And the magic numbers we want are 176 by 90. Now my actual source logo is a little bit bigger than that, so but we want to sort of squeeze it down to this particular size. We'll just sort of put it roughly where we want. And what we also need to do, because our underlying image is a little bit bigger than we want, we're going to need to change the sizing option. And so what we'll do here is we'll say zoom image, and what that will do is it'll zoom it out so that it will fit within that 176 by 90 which I want it to fit within. So now I'll save that and close out of it, and just make sure that we go OK rather than cancel, and OK again. And we'll just now do our draft print preview. And there we have it. We have the company logo for Sybiz, and also the banking details come through onto the sales invoice. And we can repeat very similar process on the other transaction documents that we require those edits to. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing Sybiz.